Assalamualaikum everyone. Look, this is my mustard field, and the field has a bumper crop this year. Sincerely speaking, I have never cultivated this bumper mustard yet. That's why this year I am very glad for this crop. As you can see, this is my mustard field. So I have a question for you. Why this mustard is a bumper crop this year? To sum up, this mustard is bumper crop because I have take care a lot. As a result, this look like is really great. Similar, if you want to learn spoken English, you have to take care a lot for your English pronunciation. You have to speak English every day. You have to hard work for your dream until you become a fluent English speaker. I had to use several types of fertilizer on this field, and I have to selected a perfect seeds for the mustard. As a result, this look like really bumper crops. Similar, if you want to learn spoken English, first of all select why you would like to learn spoken English. Then start to hard work. Inshallah, you will get proper result one day, like this mustard field.